Hi everyone, this is Jason Barack of Wall Street for Main Street, and this is your video blog for Sunday, August 15th, 2010. Today I just wanted to tell everyone that I have spotted, based on my normal due diligence in stocks that are already in my portfolio, I have spotted for you traders and investors a potentially interesting opportunity. In Hecla Mining, symbol H as in Harry, L as in Larry, HL, there is an unusual amount of January 2011 $12.50 strike out of the money options or leaps that have been bought. The open interest is over 36,000 contracts. Hecla right now is around $5 a share. It appears to have resistance around the $5 level and is bouncing up and below the $5 level depending upon the silver price. Hecla announced earnings in the last few weeks. They absolutely killed it. The company is doing very, very good. Hecla is very profitable. They have no debt. They have two cash producing mines that are producing very well. And it looks like they're about to go do an acquisition. Or they could be a potential buyout candidate because they have about $200 million in cash on the balance sheet right now. And in 6 to 8 months, they will have just under $400 million in cash on the balance sheet. So another company may be a gold producer who is looking to diversify into silver, or another larger silver producer, maybe a Fresnillo or a Pan American Silver, is looking to acquire Hecla. Someone could have inside information. So this options activity, the last time it happened, this is not the first time that this has happened to Hecla in the last year. About 9 or 10 months ago, when Hecla was around $2 a share, there was a tremendous amount of options also bought on Hecla. About 40,000 contracts, calls were bought on Hecla at a different strike price when Hecla was in there. Someone paid up. So for those of you who aren't familiar with options, let me just talk about that. That is 36,000 options contracts that have been bought on Hecla times 100 shares per contract times the strike price. So someone might have to have the cash or they might not. But if they do have the cash and we're planning on buying those Hecla shares, that is about, I believe if my calculations are correct, that's about 45 million. Because that's 36,000 times 100 times $12.50 strike price. That is about $45 million worth of Hecla shares. So that is probably an institution or a hedge fund. Someone with deep pockets is betting big money that Hecla is going higher. Hecla doesn't have to go into the money. Hecla and silver prices are going higher. Hecla does not have to go in the money for those options to be worth money. They develop an intrinsic value when they become in the money, but they would still be worth a lot more money than the person paid for them if Hecla were to go to $8 a share. If Hecla were to not even double from here, if it were to get into the $8 to $10 share range a little bit before the January 2011, the person who bought those calls would make a good amount of money. So I would definitely take a look there. It looks like someone big is betting on silver prices and Hecla also to go higher. Hecla is a very good investment. They own two, like I said, cash-rich producing mines. They produce about 11 million ounces total a year of silver, and it looks like they're about to make an acquisition and buy another silver producer. I would definitely take a look at Hecla Mining. I think they're a very good long-term investment for people who want leverage to higher silver prices, and the company has quality fundamentals, and they are above the purchase of a mine that they bought about a year and a half ago, and the company has now swallowed it. So they had some acquisition problems. They had to issue some extra shares in dilution, and now that the company is above that, producing record earnings. The company is 119 years old, and like I said, it is producing record production numbers and record profits and in earnings. So it's very, very good. The company is in great shape financially, and I think it is a great investment from here on out. Take a look. Let me know what you think. I will link you to the options chart over there on Yahoo to show you the open interest in the contracts at those leaps. And I hope everyone had a great weekend, and I hope you have a great week. I think gold and silver are going to bounce back. It looked like the dollar strengthened earlier this week, but long term, it looks like all the currencies are still being debased. I actually just read an article about the Japanese government, the ruling party, how they want to keep the yen weak, how the yen is strengthening too much, and they want to go into the foreign currency market and make sure the yen stays weak. So that everyone's manipulating their currency lower. It's a race to debase. Everyone have a great weekend and have a great week. And I will be back in touch with you guys later. Please take a look at the Wall Street for Main Street Facebook fan page for more information. Bye.